The Social Immersion Project (SIP) at Alliance School of Business, Alliance University endeavors to sensitize students to pertinent social issues, fostering engagement and sustainable development initiatives. This 2-week activity was conducted recently in and around the university campus in Anakil, Bengaluru. The project involved 123 MBA students. The SIP commenced with an orientation session in collaboration with NGO partner Youth for Seva. Dr. Nagalakshmi, the Social Immersion Project coordinator, articulated the vision, objectives, and the significance of experiential learning inherent in the program. She clarified that SIP serves as a platform for students to cultivate socially conscious leadership. The Social Immersion Project generated a substantial impact across rural and semi-urban communities. MBA students engaged in outreach efforts spanning health, education, environment, and digital literacy. The team reached over 1,000 households and conducted sessions with women, students, vendors, farmers. Key interventions included menstrual hygiene awareness, cyber safety education, guidance on government schemes, and hands-on learning in science, coding, and financial literacy. An increase in confidence among students, including girls, was observed. Community engagement was reinforced through environmental drives, cleanup campaigns, and market interventions advocating plastic-free practices. Interactions with farmers revealed systematic issues, and school visits identified infrastructural gaps. Connections were established through birthday celebrations, storytelling, and creative learning activities. At locations such as Mano Nandana Trust and nursery schools, the team fostered empathy, inclusion, and early childhood learning, concurrently contributing to green initiatives like sapling plantations and home composting awareness. The program fostered trust, built community rapport, empowered individuals with knowledge, and enhanced students' leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills, thereby supporting the role of empathy, action, and awareness in driving societal change. As stated by Swati, an assistant teacher at Rishi Public School, for the first time, we felt like our school wasn't being compared to the cities. We were being strengthened for who we were and where we are. At Alliance University, our mission extends beyond conventional education. We actively implement student learning for the betterment of society.